Well, here's some info I could never find, and what I found works for me to hotwire this Frigidaire window AC. It's a 12K with the digital controls. It was switching modes from cool, econ, fan, and getting stuck on fan and not cooling. So I looked on the YouTube and found no good solutions. So I decided to take it apart. I took off the front cover and exposed the board, which is now hanging over here. And the simple solution I found. Let me give you a little quick. You see, it's lit up. And maintaining mode for many hours, working just fine. Right now it's an auto fan and econ mode, 75 degrees. And in order to get it to stop doing that, what I did, let's see, focus. I just cut the black wire and the red wire going to the control panel. And the control panel is much dimmer than it used to be, but it does work. Right now it's hanging outside. Oh, yeah. It just went into startup mode because the temperature changed in here. Oh, see, that was a little econ sample. I guess it's not going to turn on because the temperature is good in here. But that's all I did, and now it's cooling. Hope this helps.